Hello and welcome to Aventura, Florida, USA. I am here inside the Aventura Mall. You guys probably aren't going to believe me anymore when I tell you that I am not a shopper, but yeah, I've been into like 3 malls in the past 6 months in my videos, and I always say that I do not shop, but here I am in a ton of malls. But it's true, I don't really love shopping, but I do enjoy being inside a shopping mall. I love how clean, pristine they are. I love looking at all of the beautiful displays in the window, and often they have some interesting entertainment value. So we'll see what this mall has to offer. This is the Aventura Mall, as I said, and it is apparently the largest mall in Florida and the 4th or 5th largest mall in the US, depending on what source you read. So this should be a good one to look around. I'm actually on a bit of a shopping mission today as well. I need some new sandals because my walking sandals have decided to split in half, and it's any day now that they're just going to fall completely off my feet, so I've got to get some new ones of those, and then hopefully a new wallet also, because that's another thing of mine that has just completely fallen apart. So if I get those 2 things done, I will move on to the second stage of the things I need, because I think it'll be a miracle if I actually find those things. Okay, sandals, check. JCPenney coming through. And now, next most important thing is food, because I am absolutely starving. Food court. Tempting. Pretty good prices. Pretty good food court. Lots of options. Not seeing any McDonald's or anything like that around here, that's for sure. Kind of more trendy type of restaurants. And more expensive. I found my way to a Cheesecake Factory. Beautiful restaurant, of course, and I'll get complimentary bread, so the beast has been satisfied for now. Check this out. This is the lunch size. It's huge. Ooh, pretty. I wish I had known about this when I was looking for restaurants earlier. Beautiful restaurants. Cheesecake Factory was really good though. Take a look at this structure. It is a gigantic slide. 2 slides. Wow. This mall really seems to be more high-end shopping. So just around me, what I'm looking at, I see Tiffany & Company, Fendi, Tommy Bahama, Gucci, Lingerie, lots of expensive brands. Whoa, look at this arcade zone. Holy cow, this is huge. I just recently spent like 3 hours in an arcade, so although this one looks really good, I'm gonna skip it this time. This mall is so white. Look how beautiful this store is. Just the outside. And everything in it, probably. Oh, holy, Tesla. I've never seen a Tesla store in a mall. This is cool. Everyone's obsessed with the Cybertruck. Cool. I'll have you know I found a new wallet, so it's been a successful journey to the mall. I like this mall, it's very nice and clean. I do feel like there's not as much entertainment value as I was expecting though. Got great food choices, great stores, really beautifully laid out, and there's a ton of art here. Like there are sculptures all over the place here. Really interesting to look at. Excellent day out at the Aventura Mall.